Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use Google Photos. If you want to use your Google Photos app, so just follow these steps. And here first let's open your Google Photos app. It just works like your gallery. You can see your photos and videos here. And if you want to get backup of your photos, so you just tap on your profile icon. And now just tab on backup, tab on it, and then here you just have to tap on turn on backup, and now your all photos will be backed up successfully. And if you want to edit any photo or video, so you can do it easily. First just choose your photo. As I am going to choose this one, so just tap on it, and here you have the option of edit. Just tap on it, and now you have a lots of features which you can edit your photo. Like if you want to erase something from your photo, so just tap on tools and then tap on magic eraser. Just tap on it, and now you will be able to remove something from your photos. Here you just have to select the things you want to remove. As I'm going to select this one, so just scroll on it, and then it will remove these things. And now you can see I have successfully removed this area of photos. So that's how you can use your Google Photos app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.